You already know what type of video this is about to be. I am currently doing my hair. I'm doing the highly coveted passion twist. It was invented by a girl named Caitlin, and her Instagram and like her YouTube is the Boho Babe. And so there are a few things that I'm doing to mine that are a lot different from hers, and that's just because I want my hair to not like have any adverse effects like a lot of the other people's reviews that I've watched have had. I watched hella reviews and read hella stuff about these before I decided to install them, because I just wanted my hair to be healthy while it was being protected. So without further ado, let's get into it. I honestly love these right now. Like, they're just so freaking pretty. That's why I keep touching them. So if you guys are ready to learn how I am achieving this style and what I'm using to do this style, stay tuned. So I am basically about halfway through my head with my passion twist. I have the whole back half done. I'm about to start on the front half, and that's the part where I'll be able to show you guys up close and personal about how I achieved this hairstyle. All right, little daddies, let's get into this real quick. Here we go. Let's get to work. So I parted out my little C in the front. I've already talked to you guys about this parting method. If you want another video about parting, comment down below. So yeah, so I have my parted hair out, and then I have my color mix that I already showed y'all. This is the chocolate brown with the peanut butter and the black licorice. I love how everything's a food. So we got the black licorice, we got the peanut butter, and we got the chocolate. All right, and so we're gonna grab this little hair right here and put it together like this. And like I said, I'm doing the braided method. This is personally what works best for me. And I also don't mind it because the nature of passion twists, since they're kind of like messy and really boho, the braid kind of like contributes to that, in my opinion. It just makes it more messy to me. So you're just gonna braid down and braid down a little bit more. And as I'm braiding down, I'm pushing up to make it like scrunchy, to make it like squishy. And then I'm about to start twisting it. And so what I like to do when I start twisting is I will take some gel and kind of put it to smooth in my hair into the passion twist hair. And then I'll also take the passion twist part and pin it up into my hair just to keep it from pulling, and then I'll just twist down. And when you're twisting, you're doing the rope twisting method. And sometimes when you're twisting down and you put the pin up into your hair, it don't like to stay, but that's okay. You just got to get it in that perfect spot, how I've got it now, and it'll stay. And then make sure that you're rope twisting when you're coming down. And personally for me, I don't start pulling up on it. And what pulling up on it basically is when you start doing that thing that'll make it curl and twist and bounce. So I don't start pulling up on it until I get past my real hair. And so I'm basically passing out. So I'm going to go a little bit more past it. And then I'm going to pull up. Go a little bit more past it. And then I'm going to pull up. Go a little bit more past it. Oh, it looks like I'm getting a pimple on my nose. It's gross. Go a little bit more past it. And pull up. Go a little bit more past it. And then you kind of like want to untangle it a little bit. And pull up. And then you're going to keep on doing that whole, go a little bit more past it, and pull up my...
And if your hair comes out of the little pin thing, you can take it out now because it's got to a point where it's not going to be pulling on your scalp too much, it's not going to hurt you. Pull up. Also make sure that it's not pulling too much right there. And if it is,
and to be like curly and kind of just like stretch it out, and there's your passion twist. There it is, just like that. You just like move it around any way you want to. There's passion twist number 1. And then I'm gonna show y'all one more time. So just part a little moon, and I'm looking up at my mirror, so that's why I'm not looking down at y'all. because when I get to the front, the parts have to be precise. That's how I like it. Alright, you got your little moon parted out, basically. And then, yeah. I don't know why this one looks like that. I'll take a little bit of that too. So here's your little moon that you have parted out. And you put this, I don't really know where this was, so I'm just gonna twist it back up. Twist it up. And put it to the side. Okay. And then come over here, a little bit of gels. That on the top to make it slick in there. Slick Rick. Now I got it in there. And then we're going to scoot this hair over a little bit. We're back in business. So we have our blonde 27 color mixed with our like reddish blonde peanut butter color, which is 30. So we're about to get, my camera's freaking blurry again. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this camera is so HD, but it really be focusing on, like, there'll be a little bitty thing in the air, a little dust mite in the air, and it'll focus on that instead of focusing on the big picture, which is me. Whatever. So anyway, so we're gonna take it. We're going to do the attachment at the site just like we did before. So we are braiding it. And I'm not by any means saying that you need to braid it, but this is just my method that I'm using. And I personally think it works best because of my hair. First of all, I'm doing my own hair. I'm not trying to go through that struggle. Playing games with myself. So, yeah. I think it just helps it stick better. Yep. So we're going to do that one more braid down, one more notch. Then we're going to take it, separate it, and start twisting it. We're going to get our little bobby pin. And get it, bobby pin it up here. Actually bobby pin it to something substantial, I guess. Maybe not. It's cool or whatever. And then twist down. And when you're twisting, remember we are rope twisting. We are rope twisting all the way down. Sometimes you gotta transfer hair over, like you just gotta split it so it's long on both sides, and that's okay. So there's that one. Then got it swinging, swinging, swinging. And his sisters right here. And they're looking like a peanut butter chocolate cake duo. So yeah, that's what I want to show you for now. And I'll come back and film some more once I have a little bit more of my head done. So I'll see you in a little bit. I'm delusional, so I'm tired. I'm tired, so I'm delusional. I don't even speak proper English. Bye. It's so cute, y'all. This is so freaking cute. Like, it's so cute. Look at this. Why am I like this, bro? Okay guys, so I am literally almost done. I have a quarter of my head left, so I'm updating you guys on my progress. This whole side is finished and I'm doing the opposite side, and I'm trying to mimic what I've done, but I'm going to show you the process of me attaching the passion twist one more time just to make sure that y'all got it. So first my camera's freaking blurry again. Okay, so first we're going to go over on this side. So we're gonna grab this section, and the first thing that I do, I've moisturized my hair already, but I put gel at the top to smooth it down really well. So I'm just using my edge control that I always use, and I grab some of that and I smooth it down at the top. Smooth. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Rub it in. Okay, let me get that out of the way. Okay, so it's all rubbed in, and my crescent moon is made. So then I grab my hair, like so. It's all flipped out and stuff, and I just kind of like make it smooth it down, and then I touch it on the side. Just touch it, and braid. And on my edges, I don't like to do very small sections, so like that's why this section is kind of big. Just personally don't want my hair to break off or anything like that, so I'm gonna let it go a little bit so I can make sure that it's a little loose at the top and not gripping all of my hair. I'm trying to take it away from me. So just have it here, release it down, and there's our twist. There we go. Yeah, so I just finally finished with it. This style did take a minute, but I will give you guys all the details and more in this video. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry that I look so busted. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so freaking sorry. But yeah, this hair is super cute. Super cute. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
On the beat.
But anyway, so I have finished my passion twist finally. This is the final result. They are so beautiful. Like, this style screams season. It screams summer. It screams spring. It's so in style, in trend right now. So you need to get this, and you need to book me if you're in Oklahoma. I don't travel yet. I don't know if I'll ever travel because like hair is not something I do like as a profession. It's just like, you know, a side hustle. So like if you're in Oklahoma, and you want this style, book me. And if you want these colors, honey, you'll see the color better on my phone, because my computer quality could never touch my iPhone XS Max. But what I want to show you guys is the final step of your passion twist, taking a mousse. So I use the water body wrap me foaming mousse. I'm going to squeeze it into my hands, run that together, that all throughout.
And this is not only like something that's going to help flowers stay down and like really set your style, but it's also very cool for your scalp because you know that there's a lot of orange that goes on the twisting braids and stuff, so just hold the fingers and twist so make them silky. Do that a few times. So nice. And choose the name to really run your fingers through your hair. I do dark hair. Run your fingers through your hair. Look at it. Look at it.